I'm working on this Seymour Secretary bookcase, and I've started on this tambour section here. And here's a view of that outer box with the tambour doors. And I'm working on the joint between the bottom piece and the side pieces. So this joint is a housing, a dovetail housed joint, which is tapered. So it's fatter at this end than it is at the far end. It's only a 1/16 of an inch slope there along that width of the side piece. So the bottom then has a matching dovetail that slides in. Now I've made one of these joints on one of the sides, and also here's a close-up view of that joint that is on the bottom. This is not full size, this is oversized, but it gives me the dimensions that I need to have. The joint that I've made is on this side, and you can see the dovetail joint there, and perhaps you can also see the tapering. This line is perpendicular to the edge, but this is the sloping line, and also the dovetail cut at a 78 degrees cut, as you can see there. So the matching joint on the bottom is this joint right here, and here you can see perhaps the tapering from the fat end toward the back. Now that tapering allows the joint to go together. Without the tapering, it'd be pretty difficult to install this joint. Let me show you how this fits. Let me get it started here from the front, and then you slide it toward the back, and as you slide it toward the back, it gets friction, and I'm not going to pound this in, but it's got about an inch yet to go in there. So you can see how that joint works. And this will be an exposed surface in the outside piece. So I couldn't do another kind of joint that required fasteners of some type to show on this outside face. This is a hidden, strong joint that can be used for shelves and for this kind of a purpose. So now I need to create that same joint on this other side piece. It's not completed. I've only done one step, and now I've got to do some hand sawing to create that dovetail